Want to speak Albanian with a native accent? It all starts with the alphabet. Today, I'll teach you all 36 letters of the Albanian alphabet, how they sound, and how to pronounce them like a local. Let's get started. This is the alphabet. The Albanian alphabet has 36 letters, all written in Latin script, just like English. But some letters represent completely different sounds. I will first read the alphabet, and then we will go through each letter in order to see how it's pronounced and to have an equivalent of English to make it easier for us to pronounce it. A, B, C, Ch, D, V, E, F, G, J, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, Nj, O, P, Q, R, R, S, Š, T, Th, U, V, D, Đ, U, Z, Ž. Okay, very good. Now we will go through each letter and see how they are pronounced. A, A, like A in father. Ana. Okay. B, B, like English B. Book. Bread. C, C, like TS in cats. In Albanian we say cili, cili, which means which. Ch, ch, like ch in cheese. Okay, an Albanian word would be qeles, qeles, which means key. Moving on, d, d, like the English D. Deet, deet, means day. V, v, like th in this. Thumb, thumb, teeth. E, like the E in bet. Air, air, which means wind. Soft sound, like under, under, dream. F, f, like the English F. Fjal, fjal, word. G, g, like hard G in go. Goy, goy, mouth. J, j, like enduring. Juha, juha, the language. H, h, like the English H. Hun, hun, moon. E, like double E in sea. Eerie, eerie, young. Y, like the English Y in yes. Yes. Yum, yum, I am. K, hard K and kite. Kafsh, kafsh, animal. L, soft L like in love. Lieber, book. L, hard L, logari, account. M, like the English M, mick, friend or guest, depending on the context. Moving on. N, like the English N, not, night. Ñ, like the Spanish ña, ñeras, people. Helpful way of looking at it is like N and I together, ña. O, like the O in more. Ora, the hour. P, like the English P. Pun, work. Ch, soft CH. Cheni, the dog. R, same as the English R. Ruai, I guard. R, rolled R. Ref, circle. S, like the English S. Studio. Sh, like the English SH. Škol, school. T, like the English T. Tavolin, table. Th, like TH in think. Thick, knife. Ooh, like double O in food. Ooey, water. V, like the English V. Vetum, only or alone, depending on the context. Z, like English DZ. Zizalonia, firefly. J, like the J in jam. Jajai, uncle. Ü, like the German Ü, O umlaut. Öl, star. Z, like the English Z. Zemer, heart. And the last one. J, like the S in measure. Jourm, noise. Very well, you did it. Now you know all 36 letters of the Albanian alphabet and how to pronounce them like a native. Practice every day and you'll sound more fluent. Also, if you're interested in one-on-one lessons together, send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com. You'll see it in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos to keep learning Albanian.